Signal loss on a Pixel 8 can occur due to a software glitch that disrupts the phone's connection to the mobile network. Additionally, conflicts with other applications or incorrect settings within the network services can also lead to signal dropouts. There are a few things you can do to fix it. Firstly, try toggling the airplane mode on and off. This issue often arises when the Pixel is unable to connect to the network, even in areas with strong signal strength. By switching the airplane mode on and off, you can refresh your phone's connection to your mobile network. Next, consider performing a soft reset. This could be a simple software glitch, and a soft reset will reboot your Pixel's operating system and reload all its services. To do this, press the volume up and power keys simultaneously. When the power options appear, tap Restart, then wait for your device to finish rebooting. If your phone continues to experience signal dropouts even after these steps, try resetting the mobile network services. This is a safe and often effective procedure for resolving this issue. To do this, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap System. Scroll down again and tap Reset Options. Then select Mobile Network Settings and tap Reset Settings. If these steps don't resolve the issue, you may need to contact your service provider for further assistance. Remember, while these steps can help troubleshoot the issue, they may not work for everyone as the underlying cause can vary. We hope this guide can assist you. Thanks for watching.